Hey guys, Brandon W007. I'm usually between these things, right? And I actually have an unboxing of Stanz from Ghostbuster with a slimer that I invented for Stanz to look at and be scared of. And so I'll go into that later. But I'm here today because my daughter and I both have celiac. That means we're allergic to flour. And as being allergic to flour, we have a hard time eating food, and so I've had celiac for 15 years, and I still get fooled sometimes by people in restaurants or at houses where they think celiac is lactose milk related when it's wheat related and wheat flour related. So we eat rice flour, we eat other kinds of flour, we just cannot eat wheat processed flour, which yeast affects me. She's not as affected yet in her life, but she still does not eat any wheat, and so she wanted to convey to the public and to our family, how she feels. She just made her first gluten-free meal for the video, even though she's done a bunch. This is her first one, and she wants to show people how to make gluten-free stuff and make you guys feel better about yourselves if you're having problems with flour or, can't eat wheat and you're embarrassed to tell people, or, you don't want to talk about it. You think it's weird that every time you eat something and your stomach bothers you and you don't know why, and so this is why you might have celiac, and it's okay to have celiac. So this is my daughter's first video. We're going to do a series of videos on gluten-free foods and stuff. I will get to these, okay? So this is going to be a segment called We Provide Gluten-Free Options, and we're going to provide you with different ideas. Me and her mom is going to be making some dishes too for us, I think, here. They're going to be really cool gluten-free options for you that you can actually eat healthy. And it's like something you got to do. If you have celiac, you have to face it and just do it. So without further ado, I'm gonna put my daughter on here.
Okay. Today we are going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich. So first you have to get some bread and some turkey breast and some mozzarella cheese, the shredded one, and I'm going to be using the gluten-free kind of bread because I'm gluten-free. So you get 2 pieces of the bread up, and then I usually put turkey on first. So then you get 1 piece of turkey and put it on to either bread that you want. I've got 3 pieces for some reason. And then you'll always have to wash your hands. And then you dry your hands. Just got this really quick. So then after you have your 3 pieces of turkey on, you don't want to touch them because if you touch turkey, any sort of meat with cheese, then they might get moldy. So after you wash your hands, open the cheese. And then a handful of cheese, and then put it on top. I like putting a lot of cheese because when I used to make my grilled cheese sandwiches, I would put a lot of cheese on it, so then it would stick out when it is made. I like to have 3 handfuls of cheese. And then when you put it like this, it's gonna get baked. Now we are going to cook this, and it will turn out very good. Okay, so that's why is it on?
Mm-hmm.
And you turn it on. That one is on. And then you're going to carefully put this onto the George Foreman grill and slowly close it. And you can put some pressure on it. And then you can keep this napkin for when you're eating it. You can leave it right there. And then the light will turn green when it's ready. So, when your light turns green on your George Foreman grill, it will be ready. So now, the grilled sandwich is ready. Your grilled sandwich is ready. You will want to be very careful when you take it off. Quickly put it on a napkin. And you can get an extra napkin if anything spills. So, hold on a second. I was coming to tell you something.
Oh,
Is it on top now?
yeah.
So, and that's how you make a grilled sandwich.
It's a Rogers 007. Sign off.
Goodbye. And also, don't forget this is a gluten-free sandwich. That means no flour. And don't forget to unplug your George Foreman grill or else you'll burn the house down. Bye.